Hello friends, I am Dr. Sadeep. In our channel, I will be taking up the subject related to the homeopathy. In homeopathy, there are so many subjects like organon, philosophy, materia medica, and so many things together we will be learning and understanding. It is academic session and also the practical session. I will be dealing with both the things. So in academics, when the students are worried about the exams, about the subjects, how to understand these difficult subjects like organon, philosophy and materia medica. So together with that, it is a application part also we will look into, so that we can understand it first and how to apply it in a proper way to get a 100% results in every patient we come across. So this is the small effort done by me to beginner homeopathic graduate and medico and new practitioners of homeopathy. If you are a homeopathic doctor, please subscribe my channel. If you are a homeopathic student, then it is very much essential for you to see my videos, so that it will not only help your academic interest, it will also enhance your ability to apply the science which you have learnt. So this is one of the very good opportunity you are getting. So today's subject is homeopathy is a science and an art. So as you know, in our colleges, we will be learning that homeopathy is a science and art. So yes, it is a science and art. So this is not a partial science. It is not a hampered science. It is a holistic science. Homeopathy is a holistic science. Holistic science means it is a science. It is a science and also an art. So here in scientific part, the homeopathy is based on the natural principles. That is eternal natural principles. So this is part of science. So another important point of homeopathy is it has fully understood the subject, material and the application of the subject to the materials. So subject means if a patient, material means a medicine or a remedy can be applied. So this is a total application of the subject and the material in a harmonious way. So this is one of the scientific point of homeopathy. So it uses the left side of the brain and also right side of the brain. So in the left side of the brain, it is scientific, it is analytical, it is mathematical. So this is all about this scientific nature of the homeopathy. It is a materialistic subject, and it is also spiritualistic subject. So both things come together. Science and art will go hand in hand in homeopathy. This science has an effect on all the living creatures. So this is not like it will be affected on the human beings, it will be not affecting in the animals, it will be not affecting in the plants. It is not like that. It is a holistic medicine wherein this science has an effect, has an proving, has an access to treat human beings, animals and even plants. So this is a holistic approach of the homeopathy. So this is about the scientific property of homeopathy. Homeopathy is universally applicable and its effects can be seen universally. So this is one of the characteristic of homeopathy. In homeopathy, universal forces are converted into the applicable form of the medicines like imponderabilim. So here in homeopathy, it is not only uses the plants, minerals, poisons, so much things, it also uses the unseen objects or unseen forces in the medicine form. Imponderabilim is one of the example of that. As all sciences has its limitations, homeopathy also has its limitations. So it is the sciences where it is applied is in the dynamical form only it is applicable. Any dynamical disturbances are taken care by homeopathy. This is the scope of the homeopathy, as well as it is the limitation of homeopathy also. So other than dynamical disturbances, other disturbances are not been much affected by our homeopathy. This is the limitation of homeopathy. So this is all about science. If you come to the artistic part of homeopathy. So this is an art to find an individualistic medicine for each individual. This is the artistic part of the homeopathy. Here the right side of the brain is much used. So here right side of the brain is much used to make the combination of this science into the artistic form, so that each individual has his own individualistic medicine to affect his spirit force or the dynamical force. So another artistic point of homeopathy is it affects the spiritual being, it affects the vital force, it affects the simple substance. As you know, simple substance, vital force and the spiritual all are same. So this affects this part of the energy. So this needs the artistic view in the human being to practice this science. It can be applied in all living creatures. It can be applied in the animals, in the human beings and in the plants. So this is one of the universal sciences. Homeopathy, because of this reason, it is called as science and art. So science is to understand and art is to apply this scientific knowledge, whatever you have, in a proper way to get the desired results. So this is the homeopathic science and art. This is not only a science, it is also an art of the physician to apply those principles, universal principles, eternal principles, to bring the sick human being to the healthy state, or the sick animal to the healthy state, to the sick plant to the healthy state. So this is all about homeopathy is science and also an art. So today I wanted to talk about this homeopathy is an art and science, both together go hand in hand and make a complete holistic medicines in the universe. So if you are a student of homeopathy, you are lucky to be a student of homeopathy, because this homeopathy not only takes the part into consideration, it takes the whole into consideration and treats the whole into becoming a normal or what to say, like healthy human being, healthy plant, healthy animal. So this is one of the best science on earth. So you can be a part of our group so that you will be getting all the knowledge of homeopathy, to know the science of it, science part of it and art part of it, application part of it. So today this is all I wanted to talk, friends. If you like this video, please share this video to your friends, to your colleagues, so that they will also understand the completeness of homeopathy, the holistic nature of homeopathy, and they can also understand that homeopathy is not only a science, it's also the art to apply and get a desired results. So this is all about this subject, friends. I think you enjoyed this subject. Thank you one and all. Take care. Bye.